Welcome back, friends. This is Rama Sharma here. And as we know, our React Redux Firebase Simple Block series has been completed. And here now we are moving into the hosting this simple blog. So we will host this simple blog here. So here, see that this is our Firebase blog tutorial database. And now we are going to the hosting here. Let's click to the hosting, and now let's get started here. So here first of all we have to install this. So let's install this here using npm install globally Firebase tools. I have installed Firebase tool earlier here, so I don't have to install it. So here just you have to do one thing here. I am breaking this. So here actually we don't have any .env file, and here in the config file see that we are hosting this Firebase here only. So this is our Firebase data here, whole Firebase data is there. So that's why we can host this site to the Firebase here, because we don't have any .env file, and we are not also using GitHub Actions. So here if you are using yarn, then write yarn global add global and your Firebase tools. So if you are using npm, then use this. I have Firebase tools installed already here. So if your Firebase tool has been installed successfully, now you have to first of all build this website here. So for that you have to write yarn. So I'm using yarn here, so I'm going to write yarn build. So this will build us this website, so we can run it on any server, and it will containing one HTML file, and it will contain some assets. So if some images we are using, and then it will be having JS files, so that will be in the chunks, etc. So I will be right back after building this. So see that our project has been built successfully here, and here we are having one build folder here. So see that what files we are having. So first is chunk.js, and then chunk.css, main chunk.js, and this css and js. And here we are having static file here. In the static we are having all css files and all js files, and after that we are having only index.html and our manifest file, which is containing all the information about our website. So now we are going to deploy this. So first of all let me check if I'm logged in or not. So simply I'm first of all logging out from this Firebase here. So I am logged out successfully here. So if you have this Firebase tool installed, then you will be having access to the Firebase command, and you can check the version of this Firebase also from here, like Firebase / version, or you can write Firebase /v. See that I am having 9.8.0 version here, and here first of all we need to init this. So first of all, before initting, let's log into the Firebase. So I'm going to type this command Firebase login, and here I'm going to write no, or if you want then you can write yes also. So here I'm getting to the accounts here. So I'm making this blur because I don't want to show my accounts, and so I'm choosing one account here. Let's wait for the action, and here I'm going to click on allow. And now see that here we are getting woohoo Firebase CLI login successful. Now I can close this, and now waiting for the authentication. Now I am logged in successfully as my Fullyworld Web Tutorials ID here. Now we can move there. So let's move there first, and here I'm going to click on next. So here see that we have done this step, and now we are going to initialize our project. So I'm going to copy this command and let's initialize our project here. So I'm writing Firebase initialize. So let's see what we are getting here. So see that here we are getting this one, and let's type yes, and here what we are writing here. So which Firebase CLI feature do you want to set up for this folder? So we need hosting here, so I'm going to press space for this hosting to select it, and just print, just click on enter. Now we are going to get this. So we are getting this now. Please select the option. So here I'm going to write use an existing project, and I'm going to choose my project here. So our project is Firebase blog tutorial. So I'm going to choose this, and here our directory is build, so we don't want this public directory. So that's why here I'm going to write build here. So build will be our public directory, and then so our single page rewrite our rules will be on the index.html only. So that's why I'm going to write here y means yes. So here we don't want automatic builds here because we are not hosting this on our GitHub. So that's why we don't want any automatic builds. So here I'm going to write no here. So that here file will be a build / index.html already exists. So we don't want to overwrite it. Let's type no. So now we have our configuration files also. So here see that we are having the firebase.json file, and in which our we are ignoring the Firebase this JSON also, and public directory is build, then source, and destination is index.html here. Then here Firebase, so default our this blog tutorial name. So here I'm going to write let's go here first of all and click on next here. So here we are going to use this command Firebase deploy. So I'm going to continue to the console. So we have set up our hosting here, and here let's write this command Firebase deploy and press enter here. So this will deploy our app now. So only build directory will be deployed. So it is deploying to the hosting, and see that here we are getting this logs here. So for the hosting this is the cache, and it will take time for the hosting. Now it is 76%. So let's wait for that. Now we are on the 92%. It is finalizing the version now and releasing the new version, and see that now we are getting our this here. Now let's click on this and we should get our website. Now see that our website is working very perfectly, that is React Firebase blog website, and we have deployed this website successfully to the Firebase, and we can go to the post also. Now let's try to go to the admin. So I'm going to the admin here, and here we are going to log in the user. So when I will try to the dashboard, so I'm going to dashboard here. So we are going to redirect back to the login. So here I'm going to log in this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and press login here, and see that here user is getting logged in. So now we have deployed this successfully. So for today this is enough, and this series has been completed successfully. Then if you like this series, please like this channel, please like this video, subscribe this channel and share this motivates me more to bring you more series like this. So Allah, thanks for watching.